Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Roaming Rucksack. So today I'll be talking about an action camera जो मैंने अभी recently लिया है, that is DJI Osmo Action. And this is pretty simplified camera. I mean इससे पहले मैंने कुछ भी action camera category में use नहीं किया था. I heard about it. मैंने काफ़ी action cameras देखे लोगों के पास like GoPro 7, GoPro 9. And I was pretty confused लेना क्या है, because if you are going for GoPro 9 that will be on the budget के हिसाब से आपको बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा. It's around 45,000. And मैंने बाकी options भी explore किए, like you have noise action camera and SJ cam, लेकिन की ना बैटरी लाइफ अच्छी है और ना आपको पिक्चर क्वालिटी अच्छी मिलती है. So काफ़ी कुछ रिसर्च करने के बाद like I seen many YouTube videos and Google पे मैंने काफ़ी सर्च किया क्या लेना चाहिए क्या नहीं लेना चाहिए. I mean I was pretty confused. Then lastly I came up with this option. This is Osmo Action from DJI, actually the company which makes drones and other hand gears. So I'll show you the basic configuration as well as the tips and tricks, like the basic things about it, so that अगर आप ये खरीदने जा रहे हैं so it will be profitable for you. और this is very easy to use and this is the best camera in the market which can give competition to GoPro 9 as I feel, because मैंने इसके बारे में काफ़ी पढ़ा, काफ़ी लोगों के रिव्यूज़ भी चेक किए. so ये मेरा conclusion था. So I'll just take you through the basic things what we have in this camera. Okay, let's see that. The first thing I'll tell you about this is how to create a custom profile over this one. So आप जब इससे कोई भी वीडियो या फोटो शूट करेंगे तो there are different settings which you have to make. So now it's 4K24. अब हमें इसको सेव करना है तो हम लोग इसको स्लाइड डाउन करेंगे. We'll go to profile option C2, then we'll click on OK. क्विक स्विच में ऐड करने के लिए we'll go over here in the settings, quick switch, 4K 60 is already enabled, we'll enable 4K 24 as well. Now it's done and C2 will be saved as 4K 24. So this is the quick switch button. The next feature is dewarp. So normally क्या होता है, if you'll see in GoPro you will get a view as a fish eye. जब भी आप देखेंगे there will be a spherical kind of view which you can see from the camera lens. लेकिन इसमें एक extra feature है जिससे आपको वो picture एकदम flat मिलेगी and this is called dewarp. So you can use this from this side and switch it on. Now the third feature is rock steady mode. So you'll scroll up, this is called rock steady. You can either switch it on or switch it off depending on the requirement. I'll share some video after this so that you'll get a basic idea what rock steady means. So it helps in image stabilization actually, but why do we switch it off, the question is. So the answer for that will be actually when there is a low light, so the camera tries to stabilize the image, the rock steady mode as well as the light stimulation. सो इस वजह से जो आपका वीडियो होता है वो थोड़ा ब्लर हो जाता है. देयर इज़ अ इमेज ब्लर इन दैट. जब आप लो लाइट में शूट कर रहे हैं तब आप रॉक स्टेडी मोड स्विच ऑफ कर सकते हैं. Okay, now the fourth feature will be snapshot. If you scroll down on the settings, it's called snapshot. So snapshot का ये use है like if I want to click a picture right there and there. Okay, now we'll change the mode over here. Go here, we'll go to snapshot and we'll go to photo. Now again we'll switch it off. ओके अभी हम लोग ये वाला बटन प्रेस करेंगे and we'll start taking pictures. So either you can put in video mode or a photo mode or a latest setting. Like if you I'll choose video over here. मतलब आप जिस सेटिंग में इसको स्विच ऑफ करेंगे उसी सेटिंग में आपको मिलेगा. Now the next option I'll introduce is this is called grid feature. Actually this grid feature is used to make the capture more simpler. Just to enable it, what you can do, you can go to settings and grid option. As you can see over here, you can switch it on from here. Now the next option I'll introduce is image preview. Slide down from the left hand side and you can see the pictures which you have clicked before. There is an all option over here. If you click on that, it will tell you how many total videos, photos, time lapse, slow motions are there in your Osmo Action. So you'll get a summary over here, which is a nice part about it. Now I'll tell you about the battery over here. So this is an external battery. So this is the battery you will get over with this, and this is around 1300 mAh. So आप जब इसको लॉक करेंगे, make sure that 2 click sound should come. ये अंदर गया. Yeah, now it's switched in. Now the next feature which I'll tell you is switch screen. Option is the quick switch button. You just need to click once and it will take you to the front screen. Now I'll switch it back. Yeah, it'll come over here on the main screen. So to switch, you need to double tap with your 2 fingers over here and it'll take you to the front screen. दोबारा से switch करने के लिए you just need to tap over here. Okay, now the next feature is on-screen display lock. So जैसा कि आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे memory card की information, battery and the mode like photo mode or a video mode. So जब आप इसको ऐसे turn करेंगे, you can see it has come here. So just it can either move in the landscape as well as in the portrait mode. So this is a feature which you want to have in your action camera. So I'll keep it as up because it's more simpler for me. Now the last and the most amazing option is voice recognition. And if you go to settings, voice control के अंदर जो command list है, ये सारे commands आपको मिलेंगे. Start recording. Okay, so now it'll start recording. Take a photo. I'll take a photo. Okay, so that was my observation about this product, which is Osmo Action from DJI. अगर इसके बारे में और कुछ पता चलता है आपको, so you can comment down below and you can go for this one. I can assure that will make your life much easier. आपको किसी भी टाइप की रिकॉर्डिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी and it has a comparatively longer battery life as compared to GoPro. So yeah, this will be my suggestion. You can go for this. आप इसको Amazon या Flipkart कहीं से भी खरीद सकते हैं. It will cost you around 23,000 and you can buy accessories as well. So let me know how was your experience, and that's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.